The Southeastern Railway is a very special place to be. It contains a delightful town, clean stations, and of course, cartoon trains. And they go by the names of Tombo, Presley, and Jimbo. Tombo takes passengers with Alexis and Clarissa. Presley takes the goods trains. And Jimbo carries the Wild Southeastern. One day, Tombo was parked in a siding when he noticed that Jimbo and Presley were feeling hot and bothered. Hey, what's going on there, you two? You don't seem very happy today.
Oh, Tombo, did you see how many freight trucks I had to take today? I swear if I see one more goods, I'll be sure to go ballistic.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Presley. Hey, what about you, Jimbo?
Oh, everything's all hunky-dory.
Except maybe that I took a heavy express that I almost broke my coupling! Oh, right. Guess I didn't think about that sooner, didn't I?
Well, I'll just go tell the skinny controller about your dilemmas. Surely he can get new engines to help you. Good luck.
Sir? It's me, Tombo. Yes, Tombo? I have brought some new engines to help Presley and Jimbo. Huh? How did you know? It turns out that only 3 engines weren't enough. But nevertheless, Tombo, I would like to introduce to you Gorford, Humphrey, and Alfred. Hello there. My name is Tombo. It's quite a delight to meet you.
Indeed, little one. Me, Humphrey, and Alfred have been sent here to help, Joe and, Peppy, I believe.
Actually, their names are Presley and Jimbo.
Yeah, turns out that only one of us isn't very good with names. Anyways, where are they?
I think in about, 0 seconds. Jimbo and Presley were slowly approaching towards the new arrivals. They were gasping for air, more specifically Jimbo, who was carrying yet another heavy express train, while Presley was straining with yet another heavy goods. Hey Tombo, are those the new engines? Indeed, Jimbo. I would like to introduce to you Gorford, Humphrey, and Alfred. Glad to make your acquaintances. Usually, steam engines don't require as much help as the next one.
Ding ding! Give the old engine a prize! Why, we don't need any help. Why, we can be really useful ourselves without big bossy engines like you. Right, Presley?
Right, Jimbo.
Why, we don't need any help, of course. Why, that would be disclosable of our noble principles. Right, best be off. Cheerio. Tombo, help me. Jimbo has gone cuckoo in the head over the express.
No problem, Presley. I think an idea just flew into my funnel. Jimbo was straining on with the express, but he was too frustrated to give a rat's hat. Until eventually... Yes! I think I've made it over the top. Uh-oh. Okay, maybe now I do need some help. Okay, I definitely need some help. Ah! Luckily, no one was hurt, but poor Jimbo was feeling rather silly. Eventually, Gorford caught up and saw the accident.
Jimbo, what has happened here?
Oh, hello, Gorford. I was just enjoying the nice oxygen. What does it look like I'm doing?
Will you apologize for what you just said earlier?
Oh, yeah? Well, make me.
Well, if you say so, I'll just be on my way then.
Wait a minute. I'm really sorry for what I said earlier. Now can you help me back on the rails again?
Apology accepted, Jimbo. Humphrey will be coming with a spare truck so you can be repaired.
And so it was arranged. Gorford took the heavy express for Jimbo, whilst Humphrey and Alfred took the heavy goods for Presley. Jimbo doesn't mind working with bigger engines now. He knows that the best way to keep production going is to not be stressed out, but to ask those in need of help and to have a nice breather after the day's work is over. And so, but I mustn't say no more or I'll spoil the next story.